Hey guys, I'm Mac Hogan with Road & Track. We're up here at Lime Rock Park for the reopening of their autocross course. FCP Euro brought us up here to check it out, and we brought this AMG E63 S Wagon. It's up here with 603 horsepower from its 4-liter V8, 627 pound-feet of torque. We're going to do a quick walk around of the car and also show you our one favorite thing about it. So first off, we do have the wagon version here. Now you can tell from the diffuser and the E63 S badge that this is the special one, but this is an enthusiast favorite car, in part because you get all of the power and excitement of the sedan, but in this practical wagon style. So you can throw all your camera gear back there like we did today. Now, walking up the rest of the car, you also get these big carbon ceramic brakes, which are optional on this car, these unique AMG wheels. We have the black line trim on this one with a special red color, and of course, some carbon fiber bits and the bi-turbo badge. Moving up to the front, you can also tell this is the new revised 2021 model because of this new slatted grille design that replaces the bar grille that was in the 2020 model. But the centerpiece of the E63 is this, the 4-liter hand-built bi-turbo V8. Now, in this application, it makes 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, making this the most powerful wagon you can get anywhere in America. In car and drivers testing, this car went 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds, making it easily quicker than a vast majority of all supercars ever built. And that's also thanks to an all-wheel drive system and a 9-speed automatic transmission. Now, the E63 has always had an amazing interior. It is beautiful in here, it's very comfy for long trips, but they have done a big tech upgrade for 2021. So we now have MBUX, their newest generation of infotainment here, and we have a new steering wheel with all of these touch buttons. Now, that's not what I'm actually worried about here on the steering wheel. The two things that stand out to me are these big chunky metal paddles and these two dials. Now here we can set our drive mode, and if you have it in race and you have your stability control completely defeated, all we have to do is close the door, put in manual mode, hold both these paddles, and activate drift mode. And to show you what that's like, we're gonna have to go back out on the course. So, out here on the autocross course, obviously there's not quite enough room here to stretch this thing's legs, but you can really feel how much this car wants to talk to you and how insanely responsive it is. It's just effortlessly quick, man. And again, it's talking to you the whole time. It communicates more than even like a BMW M5. And it's so agile. It's wild. And it gives you that confidence to just push it a little bit harder, even when its limits are way higher than your own. You can have a lot of fun in this thing. There's so much grip from these, Pilot Sport 4S tires, and there's so much, power that really, it's pretty effortless to keep this thing moving quickly. And even when we're taking it at a relaxed pace right now, you can feel the way the front tires load up and it gives you that grip and the bite as you turn in, and the back end just wants to rotate. And especially here in drift mode, you just get nice, smooth rotation on power. Now, if you push a little bit too hard, you will actually be greeted by understeer first, but as you huck it in and add in some power, the thing just wants to slide, and it is so playful and so much fun. And you can get some drift in. Look at this, it'll just run circles all day long. It's almost hard to believe that, just a couple hours ago, we were flying up the highway at, high speeds, just totally comfortable, quiet, relaxed, in these big, comfy, air-conditioned seats. The dual personality here is really what sticks out. And ultimately what it comes down to is that there's a lot of cars that are this fun, this flickable, this agile on an autocross course or on a race course. And there's a lot of cars that are big, comfy German sedans that are good for long-distance cruising. But the reason the AMG E63 wagon dominates such a big part of the conversation in enthusiast culture is it's really the best thing at doing both of those things. It is effortlessly fun and insanely quick, and yet it's still a big, practical, comfy Mercedes wagon. And because of that, it's an experience you're not going to get anywhere else.